Hi, this is original video. My name is Akshay Wagh. Today date 16 April 2022. Today's video topic is difference between the Java and Java script. The similar JavaScript or the Java and JavaScript are a similar language, or they are two different names of the same language. But the user has a clear doubt at JavaScript and Java language are not similar language. The JavaScript has nothing to do with Java programming language. The main resource for introducing the scripting language as JavaScript, it is the popularity of the Java programming language. It has speak at the time. Get the advantages. Java and JavaScript. First is it is a programming language, and JavaScript it is a scripting for the language. Java is a pure object-oriented programming language, and JavaScript is a object-based language. Object-based language. Java is a standalone language, and JavaScript is not a standalone language. It is a need to the integrated into HTML programming for the execution. Its execution. Java is strongly type of the language, which means that the user has to decide the data type of the variable before declaring the using it. For example, int a, the variable a can be stored and the value of the integer type only. And JavaScript it is a loosely typed language, which means the user does not have to worry about the data type of the variable before and after the declaration. For example, variable a, the a variable can be stored the value of the any data type. Java programming should be the compiled before execution, and JavaScript does need to the integrate into the hypertext markup language for the execution. The web browsers is not required to run Java program, and the web browser is essentially to run the JavaScript program. It is one of the complex language to learn. It one of the easy language to learn. It by utilizing the multi-threading, users can perform complicated task, and JavaScript is user is not able to the perform a complicated task. The Java is requires a large amount of the memory, and JavaScript does not require that amount the program language was developed by the Sun Microsystem, and the Java programming the language was developed by the Netscape. In a Java programming language are saved with the Java extension, and JavaScript is saved by the .js. JS means JavaScript. .js extension is saved the programming. The Java is stored on the host machine as the bytecode, and the JavaScript is stored on the host machine. It means client machine, as it is the source state tester. It's it one of the Java is one of the complex language to the learner, and JavaScript is one of the easy language to the learner. That's all. Thank you so much.